I believe most of the people in every nook and corner of the world has experienced a certain kind of feeling जहाँ पे हमें कुछ चाहिए होता है, हम उसके लिए ट्राई करते हैं, बट वो हमें नहीं मिल पाता है और हम दोबारा कभी ट्राई ही नहीं करते हैं. Why don't we try again to achieve what we needed at the first point of time? Why people stop trying to achieve the goal that they once wanted? Fear of failure. And fear of failure, or just common fear, is not the only reason, but one of the many reasons that halt a person to achieve the success that they want. Fear, if I talk about dictionary meaning, fear is something that is defined as a sense of danger from the outside world. But since many folds definition, according to me, fear has now taken up a definition of something that stops us from trying at all, and it's living inside our heads rather than outside. Welcome to my channel Raw and Filtered, and if you are new here, I am Muskan and I have started up a series जहाँ पर मैं एक साल के ब्रेक के बाद अपनी UGC नेट की प्रेपरेशन फिर से शुरू कर रही हूँ. And if you haven't watched, then please go to the short section, subscribe, like and be in the part of the journey. अब जब मैंने एक साल के बाद ये फिर से ट्राई किया, I realized that most of the time people do not stop because they don't want that goal, but they stop because of the fear of judgment, fear of not putting up to the mark, fear of failure, fear of disappointment. And these kind of emotional things actually turn out to be really exhausting. And trust me, I have written every single thing. I really write down my emotions out. Now talking about that, जब मैंने एक साल पहले 2024 में अपना एग्जाम दिया था यूजीसी नेट का, एंड आई वाज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड बाय वेरी स्मॉल मार्जिन, चाहे नेट के लिए हो चाहे पीएचडी के लिए हो. 5 और 1% वाज द अप्रॉक्स रेंजेस आई वाज लीविंग बिहाइंड बाय. मैंने ना छोड़ ही दिया. अब उस फेलियर से आई जस्ट डिडंट मेट विद द सेंस ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, बट दैट काइंड ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट literally dwelled over to me and overwhelmed me from not trying at all. मुझे लगा मेरे लिए बना ही नहीं है, मुझे करना ही नहीं है, क्योंकि इतना पढ़ने के बाद भी आई एम नॉट एबल टू क्रैक द गॉड डैम एग्जाम. इतना भी क्या हुआ है यार कि एग्जाम ही क्रैक नहीं हो रहा है. 2025 आया और मैंने एग्जाम ही नहीं दिया. मैंने पढ़ाई छोड़ दी, मैंने किताबें ही नहीं खोली. आई थिंक आई हैव मेंशन्ड इट इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो. मैंने 2025 में एग्जाम इसलिए नहीं दिया क्योंकि वो मेरा अब गोल नहीं था, बट मैंने 2025 में एग्जाम इसलिए नहीं दिया क्योंकि मुझे फीलिंग्स ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, फीलिंग्स ऑफ फेलियर, feelings of not being able to do it again, not being able to have success in it again was crawling onto me more than the feeling of what if I crack it. और मैंने 2025 में बहुत चीज़ें ट्राई की. मैंने अपनी प्रैक्टिस छोड़ दी, मैंने पढ़ना छोड़ दिया, मैंने वो जॉब्स भी ली जहाँ पे मेरी स्किल्स मैच ही नहीं कर रही थी. Those jobs were underpaid, those jobs were not up to the mark of my abilities and my talent, and I still used to go every single day दिल पे पत्थर रखे कि चल ठीक है यार, इतना पैसा तो आ ही रहा है ना. Now इस ज़माने में अ मिनिमल अमाउंट कितना ही आपकी नीड्स को पूरी कर लेगा या कितना ही रिसोर्स आपको हेल्प कर देगा, मुझे लगा. और फिर मैं वो कंटिन्यू करने लग गई. आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि मे बी आई डिजर्व दिस मिनिमलिज्म एंड आई डोंट डिजर्व द सक्सेस दैट आई एक्चुअली नीड. अब अगर मैं यहाँ पे सक्सेस की बात करूँ तो सक्सेस इज अ सब्जेक्टिव टर्म, और इंस्टाग्राम और सोशल मीडिया ने हमें बहुत कुछ बताया दैट सक्सेस इज बाइंग योर रोल्स रॉयस एट द एज ऑफ 20 और बीइंग अ करोड़पति और ये फेम नेम. समटाइम्स सक्सेस इज जस्ट showing up every single time even if you don't want to, just because you are so aggressively, positively working for the goal that you need. Success for me is also making this video even though I don't have proper equipments. Success for me is just being mentally at peace. Success for me can be having a walk. Success for me can be having just a cup of chai when I'm studying. Success of me can be just having a group study session with my friend. Success has always been subjective, but it has been glorified materialistically. और इसी की वजह से लोगों के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेन है कि सक्सेस ऐसा दिखना चाहिए, सक्सेस वैसा दिखना चाहिए. व्हाट आई बिलीव इज, डू समथिंग that you are proud of. Do not do something because you want to make others proud, but make yourself proud. Now coming back to the point, जब मैंने 2025 में वो सारी jobs लेना शुरू कर दी, where I was not even paid according to the talent or the skills I have, I felt learned helplessness. Learned helplessness psychology का एक term है जहाँ पर लोग कोशिश करना बंद कर देते हैं, क्योंकि वो लोग इतनी कोशिश कर चुके होते हैं, फिर भी वो इतना हारते हैं कि अब वो कोशिश करना ही छोड़ देते हैं, क्योंकि उन्हें एक एंटिसिपेटेड रिजल्ट रहता है, दैट टू बी नॉट क्लियरिंग इट, कि अब इतनी बार तो हमने कोशिश किया है, अब भी हम क्लियर नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो दैट इज लर्न हेल्पलेसनेस. दे स्टार्ट providing subjective opinions to the facts, and that makes things worse and even worse, because आप उस चक्कर में एक नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट को अपना पूरा आइडेंटिटी बना लेते हो और अपना पूरा सेल्फ एस्टीम आप उस हिसाब से नापते हो. नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, अगर कोई मेरी वीडियो देख रहे हैं, दे माइट रिलेट टू इट, कि हम सच में ऐसा करते हैं, हम सच में इतना अंडररेटेड फील करते हैं और इतना अनडिजर्विंग फील करते हैं कि यार वो शायद हमारी किस्मत में नहीं होगा, तभी हमें नहीं मिला, दैट वी फॉरगेट कि हमने शायद उसके लिए काम करना ही छोड़ दिया है. हमने अपना 120% देना छोड़ दिया या इनफाइनाइट परसेंट देना छोड़ दिया, जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर सो अफ्रेड टू फॉल अगेन दैट वी हैव स्टॉप्ड स्टैंडिंग ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. वी आर स्टॉप गेटिंग अप. हमने छोड़ दिया है. फॉल 6 times, stand up 7th. बट हम वो स्टैंड अप 7th टाइम करते ही नहीं है. वी जस्ट कीप ऑन लाइंग ऑन द फ्लोर बिकॉज समहाउ वी नो कि हारना ही तो है. And this continuous feeling makes a particular reality, your fake reality, a reality. कि हाँ ठीक है, तू ठीक ही तो कह रही थी. It's just cognitive distortion. It's just your heuristic. Heuristic is a shortcut that your brain creates because of a certain scenario being committed over and over again. So it's a fallacy कि हाँ मुझे तो पता ही था कि ऐसा होना ही है, बट एक्चुअली में चीज़ें ऐसी होती नहीं है. नाउ if I talk about my week 2, today is the actually ending of my week 2 of preparing, and what I have realized is that sometimes action is only thing that you need. लोग हमेशा अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करते हैं to start something when they are ready, but to be honest, I have experienced it and I am living it. There's no such thing as motivation. Motivation never strikes at all. It will never crawl up to you. Never. Motivation कभी नहीं आती. What comes is the action, even if you're not ready. What comes is just showing up, even if you don't want to. Action builds the momentum, and momentum builds the change, and change makes you confident. Knock, knock. When I started studying, मेरे को पढ़ने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं था. एक टाइम तो किताबें खोलने का मन नहीं था, and these books were like making me so overwhelmed by, oh my god, चाहे मुझे अंदर का मटेरियल आता है, मुझे क्या ही करना था, मुझे थोड़ा और नॉलेज को ऐड करना था, बट मैं इतना ज़्यादा ओवरवेल्म फील करती थी. बट स्टिल आई वॉज सो एडमेंट कि इस टाइम आई शो अप नो मैटर वॉट, आई बी कंसिस्टेंट नो मैटर वॉट, no matter power cut, no matter the mood, no matter the climate or the weather, no matter what the situation comes up, I'll always show up. And this is my first lesson from week 2, that always act before you are ready. और मैंने पहले भी कहा है that if you have decided to do something, pull out the negatives out, and when you are into it, when you are in the tandem of doing something, forget about the ifs and buts. Your only agenda is to do it. क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा छोड़ दो. In the process of doing it, you'll figure out how you are going to do it, and that's how you go ahead in life, by not figuring out how before, but figuring out how during the process of the journey that you are into. And that's actually I'm learning. With that, हमारा ना ब्रेन का एक केमिकल लोचा होता है. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट केमिकल लोचा टू यू. वी कॉल इट अ शॉर्टकट. अब उस शॉर्टकट में होता क्या है, हमारा ब्रेन ना कंडीशन कर लेता है हमें किसी पर्टिकुलर फीलिंग के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपके घर का रास्ता एक पर्टिकुलर शॉर्टकट से है और आप उसी शॉर्टकट से रोज आते हो और आपके पेरेंट्स भी आपको लाते थे, तो आपकी वो फीलिंग, आपका वो शॉर्टकट सिमिलर और familiar रहेगा और आप उसी को यूज करोगे एवरी सिंगल टाइम। बट व्हाट इफ आप कभी एक दिन नया रास्ता जो आपके घर को जाता है, आप उसको फिगर आउट कर लो। आप उस रास्ते से जाना चाहो, बट योर ब्रेन विल ट्रिक इनटू द फियर ऑफ unexpectedness, the anticipation of not knowing, because not because the rasta will be galat, but because it is not familiar. हमारा दिमाग certain emotions को बारी बारी किसी पर्टिकुलर स्टिमुलस के लिए जो हम इमोशनल एस्पेक्ट फील करते हैं, और बारी बारी अगर हम उसी सिचुएशन के लिए सेम इमोशनल फीलिंग करते हैं, तो हमारा ब्रेन उस चीज का एक शॉर्टकट बना लेता है. सो वेन एवर वी आर अबाउट टू एक्सपीरियंस द सेम स्टिमुलाई, द इमोशन कम्स फर्स्ट. But that is something you need to change. You need to act before you even get ready. Because readiness or motivation will never come. It will never come. The only thing that will come will be how you are acting upon it, the purpose of your act. Act before you are ready. And that is something I have learned in the week too. And trust me, जब आपके पास ये फेलियर का एक्सेप्ट होता है ना, फियर का एक्सेप्ट एक एस्पेक्ट होता है, you only have two choices. Either you make the fear your identity, or you convert that fear into the success mechanism, driving force of success mechanism. जहां तक आपको पहुंचना है, make that fear a guiding light towards where you want to reach. यूजुअली हम नेगेटिव फीडबैक्स को या फियर को एज नेगेटिव्स ही देखते हैं कि ओ माय गॉड, ये चीज गलत है, इसको नहीं करना है. लिटिल डू वी नो दैट दीज नेगेटिव्स कैन सर्व एज अ रिमाइंडर टू रीडायरेक्ट योर कोर्स और योर पाथ इनटू व्हाट यू वांट. सिंपल सा एग्जांपल देती हूँ. लेट्स सपोज यू आर ड्राइविंग अप अ कार एंड on that particular dashboard there's some negatives coming out. Maybe petrol खत्म हो रहा है, maybe आपकी servicing delay है, that red lights, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Now in that case the driver usually looks upon that particular negatives. But क्या वो गाड़ी से उतर के नई गाड़ी ले आता है और गाड़ी छोड़ देता है? नहीं. He redirects his route. मान लो अगर मैं घर जा रही हूँ, मुझे मेरी गाड़ी में कुछ प्रॉब्लम दिख रही है और वो बारी बारी ब्लिंक कर रही है, तो मे बी अगर मुझे 4 बजे मेरे घर पहुंचना है, तो मैं घर ना पहुंच के सर्विस स्टेशन पे पहुंच जाऊं और वहां पे अपनी गाड़ी को दिखा दूं, एंड देन आई रीडायरेक्ट माई रूट टू माई हाउस. Similarly, trick your brain, condition your brain, rewire your brain from taking those negatives as negatives to a driving force. नेगेटिव फीडबैक को या फेलियर को या एक मिस्टेक को डू नॉट मेक इट योर रियलिटी. मेक इट a anchor, make it an anchor for achieving what you want. Redirect your route as much as you can. The negatives actually help you to be where you want to be if you are conscious enough to take them as a shortcut or a heuristic or just a cue कि अच्छा ये मेरे से गलत हो गया, अब मुझे ये नहीं करना, मुझे कुछ और करना है. सी एवरी मिस्टेक इज अ लेसन एंड शुड बी टेकन एज अ लेसन. Every mistake should not be taken as a full stop in your life. Most of the successful people, चाहे वो scientist हो, चाहे कोई भी हो, चाहे businessman हो, they have taken their mistakes as a lesson, not just a fear of not trying. सारा खेल ही दिमाग का है, trust me. So it's your choice. Either you make that fear your identity, or you make it as a driving force towards what you want. And what I've realized is I am making my negative aspects a cue for my success. I didn't stop in 2025 because I didn't wanted the goal anymore. I stopped because the feelings were so overwhelming and so exhausting. So I just literally collapsed. And I lost a sense of worth. That I am meant for something bigger, not these small chindi things. Maybe those chindi things were important for me to teach me a lesson that do not move away from the goal that you need. Move towards it. And you always figure out somehow. Your brain is powerful aspect given to you and a very useful tool for you being a human. So why not to use it? Stop making the brain use you. Use your brain. You have the audacity and the capacity to redirect it. not vice versa. With that, I have something for you, which is that action makes you feel motivated, action makes you feel confident, and action comes from being consistent. No matter how you are feeling, no matter क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में, just be consistent, just show up every time, just fucking show up. चाहे छोटे टाइम पीरियड के लिए शो अप, बी इट एनीवेयर, you need to take a step, be it going to the gym, be it initiating a conversation, be it ending a relationship, be it beginning a relationship. Everything feels hard for the very first time because your brain is not familiar. Once it becomes familiar, it eases out. Your life becomes in tandem of the things that you're doing. Be who you want to be. Idealize the person who you want to be. Imagine that person feeling that success and then work upon it. Yeah, I do write these things for you. I'm not just speaking out of something that I have read. This is my experience. Other thing is, to be very honest, week 2 never happened according to the plan that I made. कभी power cut हो जाता था, कभी जल्दी रिवीजन हो जाता था, कभी ऐसा मौसम ऐसा था कि मन ही नहीं करता था. But the only thing that made me look upon was being consistent. That dopamine kick. कि माई गॉड, एक यूनिट खत्म, दूसरी खत्म, तीसरी खत्म, चौथी खत्म. एंड सिर्फ डोपामीन हिट यूनिट कंप्लीट करके नहीं आता है. डोपामीन तब भी हिट हो रहा था जब आई वॉज taking the revision mock test, I was studying the flashcards and MCQs, and I realized, oh my god, I am getting at something. I am able to recall the concepts. और एक टाइम पे जब मुझे पढ़ाई करना बोरिंग लगता था, एक प्रेशर लगता था, now I feel studying as a blessing and as an investment into my existing staff of knowledge and resources. Now it feels like more at ease. कि, oh my god, आज पढ़ना है. I look upon having the time. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm sure you can. Just don't show up perfectly. कि, oh my god, आज मैं perfect नहीं हूँ, I cannot show up. Just show up imperfectly but consistently. You know why? Because things that we avoid often becomes easier when we stop avoiding them. Face your goddamn fear. Sit with them. Accept the good and the bad. The only thing that can encourage your self-esteem is acceptance. And monitoring what you know and what you don't know. And what you know, increase that knowledge by gaining from other resources so that it becomes more what you more know, not just what you don't know. And nobody's ever good at something. You become good at something when you do it continuously. Always remember that. And um, once you start moving, your path becomes more and more easy, more clearer, more mindful, more conscious. And I just like this quotation that I may not be everything right now, but I'm something, and I'll definitely make out the most out of this something. And this quotation has helped me move on through the days that I didn't wanted to study. But when I imagine myself, the successful version of myself, I not just imagine how I'll end up being there, but I imagine the feeling of finally clearing the exam. And that's something that helps me motivating force. It keeps me motivated that December is just not so far, and I'll feel very good when I'll clear it. I'll be happy because I paid off. और मुझे सच में नहीं पता है what the result will hold up for me, but all I know is that I am becoming a version of myself who will never quit in any scenario. I don't know whether I'll clear the exam, but I definitely know that with the process of what I'm doing right now, I'll definitely be somewhere where I needed to be. Maybe I won't clear the exam. Maybe I'll clear. But clearing the exam is not my goal. Making myself bigger and bigger and bigger according to the mental aspect and conscious enough, rewiring myself and making myself a kind of woman who never quits is my goal. Becoming what I want to be, a person that I idealize, is my goal. The output, is not my goal. But what I'm doing with all these passing months is what I need to take care of. I do not think about the past now. I do not anticipate anything. What I do is just be in the present moment. और present में मुझे क्या करना है? I need to just give myself 1,000% off. When I'm studying, I'm studying. I know what I need to do. I need to clear the MCQs. I need to go for revision sessions. I need to make notes. That is what I am doing. That's something that I didn't do in 2024. And this is something I'm doing in 2026. So I'm learning. I don't know what the result will be, but I definitely know I'll become something out of all this. And that is enough for me. Actually, that is enough for me. And with that, if you are actually watching this video and you relate and you are fearing, you are in self doubt, you deal with procrastination and laziness, I just want you to listen one thing. You are not here to figure out everything. You are not supposed to know everything. You just don't need to be ready. What you need to do is take a little tiny step every single day. One day, every day. And every day, one step better than the previous day. And with that, this video comes to an end, and it was my week 2 experience with you all, guys. See, I don't know how it goes, but what goes comes around. And with that, I have a little motivational line for you, which is, you know, the life that you want is not on the other side of being ready. It's usually hiding behind the fear you are avoiding. So that's me, Muskan, signing off. And now from tomorrow, we are going to be continuing with day 14 and then waiting for Sunday to give you more motivational aspects. See you, take care, and do not ever be disappointed from yourself, because if you are not everything that you want to be, you are something, and make the most out of it.